As they say, I speak a lot. Aging changes are most noticeable in the under eye region as it affects the skin, bone, and even the fat of the area. Hi, this is Dr. Ravali Yalamanchili, Chief Dermatologist at NEA Dermatology and Aesthetics. Aging changes in the under eye area usually looks like a dark circle, and most of the people tell you that you look tired or even dull. How do these changes happen? When the skin in the under eye area is affected because of loss of collagen, you tend to see creepiness or laxity of your skin in the area. The other thing that can happen in the under eye area is loss of fat, or there can be weakening of the muscle or the ligament, which causes protrusion of the fat in the area. All these changes can give rise to wrinkles in the under eye, or hollowness or sunkenness, or even bags in the area. So the reason for this tired look or dull look is multifactorial, and not just one of the changes is causing this. You need to visit a qualified dermatologist who can assess the cause for this, give you the treatment options available, and what is the best that can be done in your case. If it is the under eye creepiness or hollowness or even under eye bags, we choose the treatment options based on the concern. When it comes to under eye creepiness, it is mainly because of loss of collagen, and we need to choose procedures or products which help in collagen remodeling and collagen building. When it is the creepiness that is the main problem, treatments like laser resurfacing, microneedling radiofrequency, certain chemical peels, and under eye creams containing retinols helps in collagen remodeling. One of the most commonly seen problem in the under eye area is loss of volume or hollowness. This hollow or sunken eye look gives you the appearance of dark circle because of the shadow effect. If you visit a dermatologist, they'll assess if the hollowness is because of loss of volume in the mid-face area, or if it is because of loosening or weakening of the ligaments in the under eye area, or if it is any genetic defect in the bone formation. One of the most simplest of the treatments available in treating under eye hollowness is dermal fillers or hyaluronic acid filler injections. When you do these under eye filler injections, it gives you a volume in that area and also lifts up the area and treats the dark circle. There are a range of dermal fillers available to treat the under eye area, and we choose the product depending on the concern that we are treating. For example, if the under eye hollowness is only because of volume loss in the under eye area, we use some softer products. But when the sunkenness is also because of loss of volume in the mid-face area, we use products to build up the volume in the mid-face area. These hyaluronic acid injections that we use to treat hollowness or sunkenness in the under eye area, the procedure takes around 5 to 10 minutes. It's very simple, safe, and effective. The results usually last for 1 to 2 years depending on the products that we use. When done by the dermatologist or under right guidance, the procedure does not have any side effects, and the worst that you can experience is a minimal bruising in the area, which usually fades away in the next 5 to 6 days. The other problem in the under eye area is under eye bags or fat pad protrusion. This usually happens with aging skin and also because of weakening of the ligaments in that area. How do we treat this? The bags are because of protrusion of the fat into the superficial layers of the skin. So the only way we can address this is by a surgery called blepharoplasty. In blepharoplasty, a tiny incision is made in the under eye area to remove the excess fat and skin, and the skin is restitched. This procedure has a minimal downtime, and the results are amazing and are mostly permanent. Aging skin changes in the under eye area has a psychological impact, and it affects the quality of life in many individuals. If you're suffering from any of these problems, please visit a qualified dermatologist. They help you in assessing, understanding the cause, the reason, and why you have these concerns. Based on the treatment options given to you by your dermatologist, if the under eye hollowness or sunkenness is a problem, dermal fillers hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to do, and this gives you a refreshed look for 1 to 2 years. If you like this video, please share it with people who have similar concerns and also subscribe to my channel.